Your side hustle is not just about making extra cash, it's a chance to ignite your passion and unlock your true potential. Wise Words by Gary Vee. Welcome back, hustlers. Today, we're going to explore the world of passive side hustles and analyze how they can be turned into thriving businesses. Now, let's face it, not every side hustle is created equal. We've all seen those ads promising overnight success and buckets of cash, only to find ourselves drowning in a sea of disappointment. But fear not, my friends, because today, we're going to shed some light on the realities behind these seemingly glamorous side hustles. So let's dive a little deeper, shall we? You see, turning your passion into a profitable business is like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. It's thrilling, it's terrifying, and it's often accompanied by a few unexpected twists and turns. So, buckle up as we uncover the truths that the side hustle gurus conveniently forget to mention. Number 1. Sell artisan products. Well, look who's hopping on the Artisan bandwagon. Well, everyone. Yes, you heard it right. Billions of dollars are being thrown around by consumers who can't resist the allure of unique and handmade creations. So, do you want to compete in this saturated market and stand out from the crowd of artisans? Let's lay it out in plain and simple terms. Turning your craft into a thriving business requires more than just your trusty knitting needles or pottery wheel. You need to bring your super game with a combination of unique product offerings, branding and marketing strategies, expansion of distribution channels, and a commitment to exceptional customer experience and quality. Easy peasy, right? Let's start with the first point, unique product offerings. Now, I know this sounds revolutionary, but if you want to stand out, you can't just create the same stuff everyone else is making. Put on your thinking cap and unleash your creativity to develop products that make people say,
"Wow, I've never seen that before."
So, ditch the generic stuff and sprinkle some uniqueness into your crafts. Trust me, the world doesn't need another knitted coaster. Moving on to our next point, effective branding and marketing strategies. This would be the high time to unleash your inner marketing guru and promote your artisan creations like there's no tomorrow. Craft a compelling brand story that makes people weep tears of joy and convinces them that your hand-knitted scarves have magical powers. Oh, and let's not forget the power of social media, the virtual circus where artisans juggle filters, hashtags, and influencers to capture the attention of potential buyers. Now, let's talk about expanding your distribution channels. Say goodbye to the traditional local craft fair and gear up for a grand leap into the vast e-commerce landscape. Take your creations online and conquer the e-commerce world. Launch a stunning website, set up shop on platforms like Etsy, and maybe even explore the rewarding waters of international shipping. And last but not least, we have exceptional customer experience and quality. Because let's face it, if your customers aren't swooning over your product and singing your praises, you're just another artisan lost in the sea of meh. So, go the extra mile. Wrap your creations in gold foil, sprinkle them with unicorn glitter, and personally serenade each customer with a heartfelt artisan anthem. Okay, maybe not the last part, but you get the idea. Make them feel like they're buying an artistic piece from Picasso. Oh, and before I forget, if you're seeking valuable insights and support in this artisanal adventure, check out Handmadeology. They offer resources, tips, and a community of like-minded artisans who understand the struggles and triumphs of the handmade market. Number 2. Vending machine empire. Did you know that vending machines generate over $64 billion in annual revenue worldwide? Yes, you heard that right. It's a jaw-dropping fact that makes you wonder, how can I get a piece of that vending machine jackpot? Well, before you dive headfirst into this seemingly passive income dream, let's uncover the gritty reality of the vending machine business. After all, finding prime locations for your machines can be a real challenge. So, be articulate and do your homework before finalizing a location. Ideally, high-traffic areas like office buildings, universities, hospitals, and recreational facilities ensure higher traffic, hence more sales. Moreover, remember this is a ruling thumb that ignoring maintenance and restocking can quickly turn your dream into a nightmare. Lastly, prioritize stellar customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, addressing issues efficiently, and going the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. With the right strategies, determination, and a knack for finding untapped opportunities, you can navigate the challenges and transform your vending machine side hustle into a thriving real business. Vending Machine Source. For those looking to venture into the vending machine business, the National Automatic Merchandising Association provides resources, industry insights, and networking opportunities to help you navigate the ups and downs of the vending world. Number 3. Food truck frenzy. Believe it or not, food trucks are taking a big bite out of the restaurant industry. In fact, studies show that food trucks have experienced a jaw-dropping 300% growth rate over the past 3 years. Just imagine, a food truck parked on a quiet street corner, surrounded by a swarm of eager customers willing to wait in line for hours. The savory aromas wafting from its kitchen draw people in like bees to honey. Some food trucks have gained such fame and recognition that they've been awarded Michelin stars, a prestigious honor typically reserved for fine dining establishments. While the food truck business may seem seem like a tantalizing adventure, it takes more than just mouth-watering dishes to succeed. With a unique flavor profile, a strong online presence, and strategic location choices, you can turn your food truck side hustle into a deliciously profitable venture. Success in this industry requires passion, innovation, and a sprinkle of culinary magic. Well, there are websites like Roaming Hunger and foodtruckempire.com that offer listings and advice, but the competition is fierce and the cost can add up quickly. Point to remember, this industry requires permits, licenses for equipment maintenance, and careful planning, perseverance, and a dash of culinary genius to turn your food truck into a successful real business. Food Truck Source, the Food Truck Association, is a valuable resource for food truck entrepreneurs. They provide industry insights, connections to local events and festivals, and support in navigating the unique challenges of the food truck industry. Number 4. Interior decorating. Research shows us that the market size, measured by revenue, of the interior designers industry was $26 billion in 2022. It's a fiercely competitive industry where talent, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence are the keys to success. The right interior design can increase the value of a property by up to 20%. Who doesn't love the idea of transforming spaces and creating beautiful environments? But before you dive your head into the world of interior decorating, let's address the elephant in the room: competition. Having a good eye for design is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly thrive, you must cultivate relationships, hone your skills, and consistently deliver exceptional results that leave clients awestruck. First, establish your signature touch. Develop a distinct style or niche that sets you apart from the crowd. Whether it's contemporary minimalism, eclectic bohemian, or sustainable designs, let your unique aesthetic become your calling card and attract clients who resonate with your vision. By establishing your unique style, nurturing client relationships, and staying on the cutting edge of design, you can transform your interior decorating side hustle into a thriving and fulfilling business. With platforms like Who's in Decorist, the market is saturated with aspiring decorators and designers. Standing out and establishing your unique style and expertise is essential. It's not just about having a good eye for design, it's about cultivating relationships, honing your skills, and consistently delivering exceptional results. Interior Decorating Source, the Interior Design Society, is an organization that provides resources, professional development opportunities, and a supportive community for interior designers. They offer valuable insights and guidance to help you navigate the competitive landscape and establish yourself as a successful interior decorating entrepreneur. And that's a wrap for today's helpful journey into the world of passive side hustles. But before we go, let me leave you with a question that will ignite your entrepreneurial spirit along with a fascinating fact to ponder upon. Research shows that 57 million Americans are involved in the gig economy, with side hustles accounting for nearly $1 trillion in annual earnings. Reflect on this with purpose and watch your dreams unfold. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future episodes packed with invaluable tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep hustling and keep dreaming big.